Has all the sudden change left you wondering what things will be like when we get back to normal? Now's your chance to rework your money life for the better and design your new normal. Take advantage.
Since life has been on pause, choose what's most important to you as things start moving again. What sparks the most joy for you?
So much of our life is routine, and the way we spend time and money is on rinse and repeat. The disruption means we can pick and choose what we get back to. Once you prioritise those things that make you most happy, you can make a new spending plan using Sorted's budgeting tool. Your new spending plan should flow your money to where you want it, towards what you want to attain in the near and far future. Take advantage of the disruption to design lasting change, so your new normal, whatever that may be, becomes more fulfilling than the old normal ever was. It's full of new possibility. For a helping hand to get you started, head to the budgeting tool at sorted.org.nz.